Now I'm gonna be using Makeup by Mario color in Chestnut. I love these liquid eyeshadows. Blends like a dream. I need every color. I'm gonna take that and just go all in my socket. Especially as a bridal makeup artist, these are fabulous for blending. And they dry down, so you don't even have to set them. Like, you could just wear this shade and be good. I'm gonna take the Master Mattes by Makeup by Mario, and I'm gonna take this warm shade. Just a little depth here. I'm gonna do a matte lid, nude. Then I'm gonna take this color right here, press that into my lash line. My new lash extension are these Tati lashes, Lash Angel Energy. When I tell you, these are so luxury. They're the most velvety, most comfortable lashes I have ever had. I'm all about comfortability, and lashes usually irritate me and I just tough it out. These right here, and then they come with the glue, and their glue is the best lash glue I've ever had. It sticks. You can readjust the lash and it'll still stick without you having to reapply the glue. This is this. It's like a 3/4 lash. With any lash application, I like to tightline to grab it from the center. A lot of people say that they can't put lashes on. I feel like y'all are doing this, which every time I see y'all do lashes, it's like that. Of course, you're not gonna be able to put them on doing that. I like to look down because I can see where my lash line is, like the base of it, and I grab it from the center and I pop them in the center. Because this is a half lash, I'm gonna go a little bit over. You see that? Isn't that like the most fabulous thing you ever seen? All right, y'all see how there's like flirty, pretty, sultry, cutesy, all at the same time? Like, just my telescopic lift, and then just add mascara. I got my eyebrows done yesterday. I honestly don't like a lot. I don't like a really dark brow. So we're just gonna basically fill in the gaps. I'm just gonna line the bottom, and I'm just gonna flutter just wherever I have any gaps. And to finish with eyes, I'm gonna take this white color and I'm gonna mix it with the color that we put all over the lid, and I'm going to add that in my inner corner. If you know me, when it comes to makeup, I love a bright inner corner. I don't like a shimmery inner corner. I like a bright one, so I just like putting a whole bunch of white. To me, this is my favorite part of makeup. I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury brightening powder, and I'm gonna go just a little bit here because I like the brightness right there on my face. And I'm gonna put a little bit on the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna take the cream side of the Patrick Ta, just to add a little dew. I'm gonna take my tried and true L'Oreal Infallible, this right here. My makeup's not gonna move. And for lips, I'm going to be using Biggie by LA Color. Y'all know I love this. I think it's gonna be perfect for this pink dress. And then I'm going to be using First Kiss by Milani. It's a lip plumper. Take First Kiss, the lip plumper. And that is the finished look. Color, but it still looks natural. It's very pretty. It's very pretty girl makeup, very angelic, but still striking. I love it. If this is something that you're interested in, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.